ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम्
अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम्
आत्मानम् अखिलाधारम् आश्रये भीष्टसिद्धये।
आत्मानम् अखिलाधारम् आश्रये भीष्टसिद्धये।
अर्थतोऽप्यद्वयानन्दान् अतीतद्वैतभानतः
अर्थतोऽप्यद्वयानन्दान्
गुरूणाराध्य वेदान्तसारम् वक्ष्ये यथामति।
गुरूणाराध्य वेदान्तसारं वक्ष्ये यथामति।
Let us read from here. सम्बन्धत्रयं नाम पदयोगो सामानाधिकरण्यम् पदार्थयोगो विशेषण विशेष्य भावः प्रत्यगात्मलक्षणयोगो
प्रत्यगात्मलक्षणयोः
लक्ष्यलक्षणभावश्च इति
लक्ष्यलक्षणभावश्च इति
तदुक्तम् सामानाधिकरण्यं च विशेषणविशेष्यता
सामानाधिकरण्यं च विशेषणविशेष्यता
लक्ष्यलक्षणसम्बन्धः पदार्थप्रत्यगात्मनाम् इति
लक्ष्यलक्षणसम्बन्धः पदार्थप्रत्यगात्मनामिति
सामानाधिकरण्यसम्बन्धः तावत् यथा सोऽयं देवदत्तः इति अस्मिन् वाक्ये तत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त वाचक स-शब्दस्य स-शब्दस्य सोऽयं देवदत्तः स एतत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त वाचक अयं शब्दस्य
विशिष्ट देवदत्त वाचक अयं शब्दस्य
अयं शब्दस्य च अयं शब्दस्य एकस्मिन् पिण्डे तात्पर्य संबंधः तथा च तत् त्वम् असि इति वाक्ये अपि परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य वाचक तत्पदस्य
परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य
अपरोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य वाचक त्वं शब्दस्य च
परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य पदस्य च
एकस्मिन् चैतन्ये तात्पर्य संबंधः विशेषण विशेष्य भाव संबंधस्तु यथा तत्रैव वाक्ये स-शब्दार्थ तत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्तस्य अयं शब्दार्थ एतत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्तस्य अन्योन्य भेद व्यावर्तकतया व्यावर्तकम विशेषण विशेष्य भावः तथा च तथात्रापि वाक्ये तत्पदार्थ परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्यस्य पदार्थ परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्यस्य च अन्योन्य भेद व्यावर्तकतया
अन्योनभेदव्यावर्तकतया तकतया
विशेषण विशेष्य भावः
विशेषण विशेष्य भावः
152 up to this we read. Next is Lakshya Lakshana Bhavaha. The Sambandha Trayam. Sambandha, the relation between the three types of relation between the words, between the two words or between two or more words. Three types of Sambandha are possible. Sambandha Trayam, Padayoho Madhye, Samanadhikaranyam. Samanadhikaranyam is one Sambandha. Padayoho Madhye, between the two words, words having the same locus. That is Samanadhikaranyam. Samanam Adhikaranam, Yesham Padanam, Samanadhikarana Padani. They are same Adhikarana, same locus, refer to the same thing. Two words signifying same thing, having the same locus, Adhikaranam. See, every word has a locus, which because each word relates to a certain thing, object. Just therefore, between the two words, they're just the words. The words having the same locus, the relationship between them is called Samanadhikaranya. So Samanadhikaranya Sambandha is one Sambandha. Then Visheshana Visheshya is the next Sambandha. That is between the meaning of the words. Padayogo Samanadhikaranya. Between the words there is Samanadhikaranya. The relationship would be Samanadhikaranya Sambandha. Padarthayogo, the relationship between the meaning of the words. Padarthayogo Visheshana Visheshya Bhava Sambandha. And another Sambandha is a special Sambandha. Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Implied implier Sambandha. That is with regard to Pratyagatma. Pratyagatmani Vishaye. Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. So the relationship between the two words in a sentence, in a vakya, that could be Samanadhikaranyam or Visheshana Vishesha or Lakshya Lakshana. Three types of Sambandha possible. When there is Samanadhikaranyam between the words, it means the two words must be have the same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. So in that case, one must be a noun. Other words or one word or more than one words must be adjective. So the noun is qualified by the other words. Yata Neelam Utpalam, Sugandham, Surupam, Neelam, Utpalam. Utpalam is the noun. It is qualified by the other words Sugandham, Surupam, Neelam, Ityadi words. All the words are same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. But each word you take, they are different from the other. There should not be the same word. Neelam, 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 Utpalam is not meaningless. So each word, if there are more than two words, each word must be distinct from the other word. And the other words are the attributes, and there is a noun. The noun is qualified by the other words. Therefore, there is naturally a Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha is there. So when there is a noun and adjectives have to conform with the gender, vachana and vibhakti. We know Sanskrit very well, therefore we know what Samanadikaranyam is. So one word must be a noun, other words must be adjective, because this group of words in which there is only one noun, all other words they reveal the same object. Only one object they reveal. Sugandham, Surupam, they don't reveal two different things. They reveal Sugandham, Utpalam, Surupam, Utpalam. Neelam, Utpalam. Neelam, the blue, referring to the same thing. So therefore, we say these words are said to be in Samanadikaranyam. All the words are different. These words, they are different. Binna pravritti nimittanam, samana vibhaktikana. They have got binna pravritti nimitta. Pravritti nimitta is a topic which we have seen under Karmadharaya Samasa, in our Samasa class. In fact, we saw more technically. Tatpurushaha, Samanadikaranaha, Karmadharayaha. That Samanam Adhikaranam Yasya Saha. I will show you the document. If you can remember what is Binna Pravritti Nimitta. It's a good write-up which we saw. Pravritti Nimitta is a technical thing. Samanam Adhikaranam Yasya Saha, Samanadikaranaha. Samanam means Ekam, Adhikaranam, Vachyam, Artaha. Ekam Artaha. Ekam Artaha, Samanam Adhikaranam. Yayoho Padayoho. Te Samanadikarane Pade. Those two words are said to be in Samanadikaranam. Tasya Bhavaga Samanadikaranam. Samanadikaranam is Tadita word. Samanam Adhikaranam. Samanam Ekam. Same. One. They refer to the same thing. Ekasmin Vishaya Tatparyaha. The quality of different words, important, not same words. Different words mean different descriptions of that particular noun. And these have a single locus. Samanam Adhikaranam. They are not synonyms, they evoke different meanings. They are different meaning. Eta, Surupam, Sugandham, Neelam, all these are different words, different meanings. Binna Pravritti Nimittanam. All these are Binna Pravritti. The Pravritti Nimittas are different. That is a different meaning. They are not synonyms. Samana Vibhaktikana. All these are of the same vibhakti. Ekasmin Vishaya Tatparyaha. They refer to the same thing. That is what here Vedantasara Acharya said. Padayoga Samanadikarane Padartha Yoga Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. They have taken only from the Vedanta this. Padayoga Samanadikarane. In fact, it is general. And Vedanta we apply this. When two words are in opposition, not opposition, same, Samana Vibhakti, then the meaning of the words, Padayoga Samanadikaranyam, that is when the words are in opposition, then the meaning of the words must have qualifier, qualified relationship, adjective, noun relationship. Padayogo Samanadikaranyam, Padarthayogo Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. So first Sambandha is Samanadikarane Sambandha, second Sambandha is Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. So Yatra Samanadikaranyam. Tatra Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha Asti Eva. The two words are in opposition, Samanadikaranyam. Then, and the words are all, two or more words, and the words are all different. Binna Pravritti Nimitta, different meaning. They evoke different meanings. Then, Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha is, there has to be Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. The words are all different. Binna Pravritti Nimitta, all same vibhakti. Do they refer to different things? No. Ekasmin Vishaya Tatparyaha. Different descriptions, descriptive words are there, but they all converge in the same thing, same object, same person, whatever it is. So that is Samanadikaranyam. So Yatra Samanadikaranyam, there will be Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. All this thing under Samasa context, in fact, we have seen. And Pravritti Nimitta also. Pravritti nimitta also, yes, Pravritti nimitta is the cause of application or usage of a word. Each word has its pravritti nimitta. The cause is there, cause of usage. For example, gata, when we say, why we call an object gata? Because it has gatatvam. Gatatvam is there, therefore it is called gata. Patatvam is there, therefore pata. Pata doesn't have gatatvam, therefore pata is not gata. The usage of a word. Shabdasya pravritti nimittam. The word bhava is used to convey the sense of pravritti nimittam. Pravritti nimittam. Gata. Gata shabdasya. Kambu grivadiman. It has a neck. Pot has a neck. So kambu grivadiman padartaha. So gata refers to the object which has neck and has some utility. It is used for filling water. The gata is shabda. It is made of the letters. Kakara, akara, takara, takara. So collectively, gata and gata, the pada is used. The padartha is referring to kambugriva, diman padartha. So gatatvam asti padarthasya. Therefore, the word is gata and it refers to gata. Similarly, pata. Similarly, mata. Gatatvam is not there in pata. It is not there in mata. So we cannot use gata to refer to pata. Gata shabdaha gata vachakaha. Gata shabdaha gata vachaka. Gata shabda, gata the word, padam. Gata arthaha gata vacha. What is denoted by the word gata? Padarthaha. So padam is gata vachaka. Padartha is gata vachyaha. The power of conveying the knowledge of the object is gata shabda, gata padam. So technically gata shabda, the word gata, just a word, padam, padam. It's called shaktaha. And the object referred to by the word is called shakyaha. So gata padam is shaktaha, gata padartha is shakyaha. All these are technical things. In fact, we have seen all this elaborately in our class. There's a definition of shabda pravritti nimitta. So gata shabdaha, gata pachakaha, gata pachaka means word, is shaktaha. Gata padartha, what is denoted by the gata shabda is gata padartha, that is shakyaha. And padartha, pada padartha, it means padam padartha is shakta shakyartha. Gata as its gatatvam. Because of gatatvam, therefore it is called gata. Suppose gatatvam is not there, then we cannot use the word gata. So therefore pravritti nimitta must be there. Only pata has got patatvam. Gatatvam is not there in pata. Therefore gatatvam distinguishes gata from other padartha, other objects. Pata, mata, etc. So it's called gatatva jati. So gatatvam doesn't exist separately, it exists only in gata, not in other padartha, other objects. So yatra yatra gatatvam asti. There we can use a word gata to refer to that object. So gatatvam is a jati. And again, the technical things are there. Gatatva jati is called ashita, and gata, that on which gatatva jati is called ashita, that on which gatatva jati depends, that is called gata vyakti, ashraya. Therefore, ashrita ashraya sambandha. So now the dravya is defined. Ashraya of the jati. Ashraya is the example gata vyakti. The gata vyakti which has ashraya on the gatatva jati. That is called dravya, substance. Gata vyaktihi, gata jatihi. Gatatva jati is called ashrita. Gatatva vyakti is called ashraya. That on which ashraya, that on which depends. It's called ashraya. Gatatva vyakti. So vyakti jati sambandha. Ashraya ashrita sambandha. Ashraya of the jati is called dravya. Therefore, every word conveys two meanings, jati and vyakti. Jati is gatatva jati. And gatatva jati depends on the gata vyakti. So a word conveys these two things, jati and vyakti. Ashraya of jati is called dravya. Therefore, kata is a dravya, is a substance. So in these two meanings, gatatvam is visheshanam and gata is visheshya. Further technically also we have seen visheshanam is called prakara, etc. Now, shabda pravritti nimitta you see. Visheshanam is called prakara. That which is referred to by the vachyartha. Vachyartha is it's called technically shakya, the word. That which is referred to by the word and that which appears as prakara, the visheshanam of what is referred to is called shabda pravritti nimitta. This is technical definition of shabda pravritti nimitta. It's given in Sanskritam here. Vachyatve sati, vachya nivrittitve, vachya vrittitve sati. Vachya upastitiya prakara tavatvam pravritti nimittam. That is translation only I have written here. Simple the example, pravritti nimitta of gata is gatatvam. Gatatvam asti. So gatatvam asti, therefore the gata, the word, the usage of the word, that is usage of the word gata. Similarly, shuklatvam asti, therefore shuklatvam, that is the nimitta. Because of the pravritti nimitta shuklatvam, the word shukla referring to the object, particular thing is there. Similarly, pata is called pata because it has a pravritti nimittam patatvam. So every word like that. Devadatta also. Devadatta is called Devadatta because it has a pravritti nimittam. Devadatta is called Vishesha Akriti, a special, that person is different from their form. The pravritti nimittatvam, pravritti nimittam is there. So what is pravritti nimittam? Vachyatve sati, vachya vrittitve sati. Vachya upasthitiya prakara tavatvam, pravritti nimittam. That which is referred to by the vachya. Vachya is called shakya. Shakta, shakya, we saw. Vachyartha. That which is referred to by the vachyartha of the word and which appears as the prakara, the visheshanam. Gatattva visheshanam. The gatattva visheshanam and gata vishesha. Gata vishesha. Gata vishesham. The visheshanam is called technically prakara. Prakara, visheshanam, both are synonymous here. Means prakara, technical word, it means visheshanam. So, therefore, pravritti nimitta, shabda pravritti nimitta, technically defined as that which is referred to by the vachyartha. Vachyartha is shakyartha. Shakta, shakya. Two things are there. Shakta, shakya. So, padartha is, padam is called shakta, padartha is called shakyartha. Padartha is vachyartha. Vachyaha. Padam is shakta. So that which is referred to by the shakyartha, the meaning of the word, and that which appears as a visheshanam of what is referred to. Why visheshanam? Because gatatvam is there only the gata. Gatatvam is visheshanam to gata. Gatattva visheshanam asti tasya gatasya. That is why the word gata can be used to refer to that particular object, which is gatatvam. So gatattva visheshanam, therefore gata visheshyam. So that is pravritti nimitta. Similarly, patattva visheshanam, therefore pata visheshyam. So each word conveys these two things. There is a jati, gatattva jati, and there is gatattva vyakti. Gatattva jati is gatattvam, visheshanam. Gatattva vyakti, the object visheshya. If gatattva jati is not there cannot be gatattva vyakti. So, therefore, pravritti nimitta, binna pravritti nimittanam, they have different connotation, different things, different descriptions, because it has its pravritti nimitta. So, binna pravritti nimittanam and samana vivaktikanam ekasmin vishaye tatparyaha. So, binna pravritti nimittas are there between the words, and then naturally the relationship between the words must be visheshana visheshya bhavaha. They must have noun, adjective, noun relationship. Every padam has got padartha. Padam and padartha, they go together. Vagartha vivasam prukto, vagartha pratipatte. They are inseparable. Pada and padartha. So every padam has its padartha. Pada yogo samanadikaranyam. Padartha yogo visheshana vishesha bhavaha. Samanadikaran relationship between two or more padam. Relationship between the meaning of the words is what? Visheshana vishesha bhavaha. Padartha yogo. Padartha yoga, what sambandha? Visheshna vishesha sambandha. When there will be visheshna vishesha sambandha, yatra samanadikaranam asti tatra visheshana vishesha bhavaha. So yatra samanadikaranam tatra visheshana vishesha bhavaha. What is samanadikaranam? Padayoga samanadikaranam. Samanadikaranam is two samanadikaranam between the two words. And there are different types of samanadikaranam. In Vedanta, we say 4 types are there. One type is Bada Samanadikaranyam. Like Idam Jagat, Sarvam Khalu Idam Brahma. Idam is Jagat. Sarvam Khalu Idam Jagat Brahma. So Jagat is Brahma. Jagat is Brahma is the Jagat. Namarupatmaka Jagat is Mithya. It is Brahma Yava. There we displace Jagat, the Namarupatmaka Jagat, dismissing, and it is revealed as Brahma. Bada Samanadikaranyam. So Jagat is resolved to Brahma. Jagat is nothing but Brahma. Bada Samanadikaranyam. Sarvam Khalu Idam Brahma. Idam Napumsakalinga. Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Brahma is also Napumsakalinga Pratama Bhakti. Therefore, Samanadikaranyam. Binna Pravrittinitta. Idam as referring to the Padartha. It has got Binna Pravrittinitta and Brahma also. Brahmattam Asti and here Idantam Asti. That's why you are Idam and Brahma. So different words having different pravrittinitta, binna pravrittinimittanam, samana vyaktikana. Therefore, sambandha is samanadikarani sambandha. And the samanadikarani here is, idam is resolved, it is dismissed. The Namarupa is dismissed, it is Brahma. Therefore, bhada samanadikarani there. Similarly, th-eतत asi, mahavakya araham brahmasmi. There it is aikya samanadikarani. Agam Brahma asmi. It is not, agam is dismissed here. Agam Brahma asmi, there is aikyam. Jivatma Paramatma aikyam. In fact, that is what Akhandartha Bodhaka Vakyam. Jiva Brahmaika Vakyam, Mahavakyam. There it is not Bada, it is aikyam. Aikya Samanadikaranyam. Then we have Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha, Samanadikaranyam. Like Sugandham Surupam, Neelam Nukpalam. That Samanadikaranyam is that the words are adjective. Visheshana Visheshya. But not Visheshana Visheshya in Sarvam Kalidam Brahma or Tattvatamasi. That's why there we say Pratyekatmanam Lakshana Bhavaha Sambandhaha. That's what we are going to see. Then the other Samanadikaranyam is this rope is a snake, rope snake. Ayam Rajjuhu Sarpaha. Rajjuhu Pratamavakti Ekavachanam, it is Rajjuhu Sarpaha, that is Sarpa. Binna Pravrittinitta, Rajuttamasi, therefore Rajjuhu. And that Sarpattamasi, therefore Sarpaha. 2 words, different words, and referring to 2 different things. They are Binna Pravrittinitta. But they are equated there. There it is Adhyasa. Adhishtana, Adhyasta, Adhyasa Sambandha. This rope is snake. I am Rajjuhu Sarpaha. So, these are the different types of Samanadikaranyam. So, when Samanadikaranyam is there, the words will have Visheshana Vishesha Bhava Sambandha. Now, can we take the same Visheshana Vishesha Bhava Sambandha when it comes to the Mahavakya Tattvatamasi? Then we have problem. we take Vishesha and Vishesha Bhavaha. So, Jivatma is not a Visheshana to Paramatma. So that is why Pratyekatma Lakshana Yoho, Pratyekatma Lakshana Yoho. So with regard to Pratyekatma, we have Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. So Pratyekatma Lakshana Yoho. So between the words, Pratyekatma Lakshana, between the words and the meaning with regard to the Pratyekatma, that the Sambandha is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha, implied relationship. And the author quoted from Naishkarmya Siddhikara, Sureshwaracharya, where he said the relationship between the two words having the same sama, same locus, one type of relationship, and the words, and the relationship between the words qualifying each other because they signify the same object. And the third one is implied relationship, that with regard to Pratyekatma. Then the Samanadikaranyam is explained, which also we saw all this. Swayam Devadattaha with the Drishtanta, Samanadikaranyam is explained. Swayam Saha Ayam Devadattaha, is that Devadatta? Simple Vakya. So Saha referring to Tatkala, Tadesha, you can say Desha also. Referring to Devadatta of that time, of that Desha, that place. So Tatkala, Tadesha, Vishishta, Devadatta, Vachaka, Sashabdasya. Devadatta, that Devadatta is indicated by Sashabda in the word, in the Vakya, Swayam Devadatta. And Ayam is Etat Kala, which is you perceive now. Who is right in front of you, available for your perception. You see him. Etat Kala, Etat Desha, Vishishta, Devadatta, Vachaka, Devadatta, the word, which is referred to by Ayam Shabdasya. Do they refer to two different things? No. Ekasmin Pinde Tatparya Sambandha, referring to the same Pinda, same person. Referring to the same entity. Ekasmin Pinde. Similarly, so therefore, there is Samanadikaranyam between Saha, between the two words, so Ayam Devadattaha. Similarly, Tatmasi Vakya Api. There also we have Tat and Tam. Tat is Ishvara, Paroksha. Ishvara is Paroksha. It is remote, is away far, like Saha Devadattaha, Ishvaraha, Paroksha, Parokshatvadi. Bhagavan, saying Bhagavan, we look up to the sky, as so he stays above the clouds. So remoteness, Saha. Tat implies some remoteness. Remote, even though Ishvara is not remote, but the remoteness is superimposed on Ishvara. Therefore, we say Tat, as though Bhagavan is far away, Tat. And the next word is Tvam. That is not remote, it is Aparoksha. So, Parokshatvad Vishishta Chaitanya Vachaka, the word Chaitanya referring to Tatpadasya, Parokshatvad Vishishta Chaitanya. The word Parokshatwadi, which is referred, it is Paroksha, remoteness, the consciousness which is referred to, which is far, which is referred to by the word Tat. Similarly, Aparokshatvad Vishishta Chaitanya Vachaka Tvam. One is Parokshatva Vishishta Chaitanya, other one is Aparokshatva Vishishta Chaitanya. Parokshatva Vishishta Chaitanya referred to by the word Tat, and Aparokshatva Vishishta Chaitanya referred to by the word Tvam. Other two Chaitanya, no, different. Ekasmin Chaitanya, Tatpari Sambandha, they refer to the same entity. Therefore, Yatha Swayam Devadatta iti Drishtante, Padayoho Samanadikaranasti, Tata Tadvat, Tattamasi iti Mahavakya api Samanadikaranasti, Tat Tvam Padayoho Madhye. So what Samanadikaranya Sambandha is established with the Drishtanta. Samanadikaranya Sambandha. even though one is paroksha, other one is aparoksha. Tatkala tadvishi devadatta is etatkala etadvishi devadatta. Yata darshtante tadvat yata drishtante tadvat darshtante api. Therefore, samanadhikarane sambandha. Then vishesha bhava, same example is taken. Swayam devadatta, that devadatta. Sa-shabdhartha tatkala vishishta devadattasya. The meaning of the sa-shabda is tatkala tadvishishta devadatta, taddesha vishishta devadatta. Ayam shabdaha, etatkala etadesha vishishta devadatta. Both are equated, swayam devadatta. So here, anyonya bheda vyavartakataya vishesha vishesha bhavaha. That anyonya bheda vyavartakam, that's important. Anyonya means paraspara. Paraspara bheda, difference. Vyavartakam, negation. Negation of the mutual differences. Mutual differences. Negation of the mutual differences. Mutual differences of the words. Saha ayam. Saha is referring to that person whom I have seen 20 years before. Yeshaha ayam is this person. Therefore, there is Veda is a Saha ayam because he is not the same person now. He has completely undergone change. Still we equate. Still there is sambandha. What sambandha? Visheshana vishesha sambandha. The Saha, Swayam devadattaha, Ayam Saha devadattaha, whatever it is. So, negating the differences, paraspara differences between, then they qualify each other. Each word qualifying each other. So Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, each word defines the other. Each word defines the other. Visheshana is that which qualifies. Vishesha is that is which is qualified. So Samanadikaranam asti, therefore Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. So we can say Ayam. So Saha Ayam. Saha qualifying Ayam. Or Ayam Saha if you take. Ayam qualifying Saha. So when this qualified, there cannot be difference between the two. They refer to the same thing. They refer to the same thing. Ekasmin. They refer to the same Devadatta. So each one now dismisses the limitations caused by each. This Anyonya Veda Vyavartakam. I have one small write-up. I will show you how each one dismisses a difference caused by each. This is a little technical. Now we know Samanadhikarane Sambandha. Drishtanta as given by the author, Soyam Devadattaha. Neelam Utpalam, that is another good example. That also you see. Soyam Devadattaha, if you take, is a Drishtanta. Dharshtanta is Tattvamasi, Mahavakya. We are discussing only Visheshana Vishesha Bhava Sambandha, not Lakshya Lakshana. That will comes later. That is not applicable when it comes to Pratikatma. Because to establish Advaita, we need Lakshya Lakshana Bhava Sambandha. You cannot take Visheshana Vishesha. If you take Visheshana Vishesha, then it will become Visishta Advaita. Problem will be. That is the Lakshana Lakshya Bhavaha. We'll see, discuss that. Now, take this Samanadhikaranyam. Now, Yatra Yatra Samanadhikaranyam, we know Tatra Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha will be the naturally. Padayoga Samanadhikaranyam, Padartha Yoga Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. So, two Padams are there, and the relationship between two words must be Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. Now, Vishesha Visheshana, what does it do? Visheshanam and Visheshan to each other. There is Anyonya Veda Vyavartakam Asti. Now, take Saha Ayam Devadattaha. This Devadatta is that Devadatta. So Saha, adjectival pronoun to Ayam. So this Ayam is qualified by Saha. So that Devadatta is the Visheshanam to this Devadatta. Saha Ayam Devadattaha. So Ayam Devadattaha is Visheshyam. Visheshyam is that which is qualified. qualifier, that which is qualified. What qualifies? What is the qualifier? Visheshanam. Adjective. Saha Devadattaha is Visheshanam. Ayam Devadattaha is Visheshyam. Substantive. Saha Devadattaha is Visheshanam. So Saha Devadattaha now, Saha Ayam Devadattaha, when we say this Devadatta is that Devadatta. Now Saha Devadatta is Visheshanam negates the Devadatta Veda from Ayam Devadatta. That Devadatta, Saha Devadattaha, Saha Devadattaha in Sanskritam we know. Visheshanam will always be a first. Whereas in English it is not like that. Visheshanam will come later. This boy is tall. Tall is Visheshanam. Visheshanam comes later. After his subject predicate. So Visheshanam comes at the later part of the sentence in English. In Sanskritam, Visheshanam always comes before. Always conveniently be placed before the substantive, before the Visheshya. That's why I highlighted in yellow color, so that this confusion is not there. This Devadatta is Vishesham and that Devadatta is Visheshanam. So Saha is Visheshanam, Ayam is Visheshya. So now Saha Datta is Visheshanam. Saha Devadatta, whom I saw 20 years before, as Visheshanam. That Devadatta, that negates, there's a difference in Devadatta, current Devadatta and the past Devadatta. Saha Devadatta is Visheshanam, negates the Devadatta Veda from Ayam Devadatta. That Devadatta is Visheshanam dismisses the difference, Devadatta difference from this Devadatta. So this is Saha as Visheshanam dismisses the differences caused due to that Devadatta from this Devadatta. Now the same sentence, we say Ayam Saha Devadatta. If you take it other way, that Devadatta is this Devadatta. Now this Devadatta is, that is Ayam Devadatta is Visheshanam. Saha is Visheshya. So here it changes now. Ayam Devadatta is Visheshanam, adjective. Saha Devadatta is substantive. No, Ayam Devadatta is Visheshanam. What does it do? It negates Devadatta Veda caused by Ayam Devadatta from Saha Devadatta. The differences are removed and therefore there is a sambandha, there's an equation. This is called Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakam. Whether it is Saha Ayam Devadattaha, Ayam Saha Devadatta. Therefore, between the words there is the negation of the contrary things, differences, mutual differences. Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakam. Vyavartakataya Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha Asti. The Drishtanta Soyam Devadattaha. Soyam Saha Shabdartha Tatkala Vishishta Devadatasya. Ayam Shabdartha Etatkala Vishishta Devadatasya. Tayoga Madhye, that Anyonya Paraspara Veda Vyavartakam is done. Therefore, Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. Therefore, Saha can be used as an adjective for Ayam, Ayam can be. At least Sakam Ayam Devadattaha means there is Sambandha, Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha, which is taken as Visheshana, which is taken as Visheshana, Visheshya. Anyway, you do, there is Anyonya Veda, Vyavartakam Asti. The same thing extending to Dhashtanta. Tatu Tamasi. Tatu is Paramatma. Tam is Jivatma. So Tatu Paramatma, Ishvaraha, Tam Jivatma Asi. Ahavakya. Tatu Tamasi Atam Tatasi. Tattam Tam Tameva Tatu. Kaivalya Upanishad says. Tatutvam, Tattvam, Tameva Tatu. In both ways. Jivatma is Paramatma, Paramatma is Jivatma. Because there is Aikyam, there is no difference, non-difference. Now, if you take Tatu Paramatma is Jivatma. So here Jivatma is, that is Tvam is Visheshya, Tat is Visheshana. If you take Jivatma is Paramatma, Jivatma is Visheshya, Paramatma is Visheshana. So Paramatma, Tatu is Visheshanam, Tatu is Paramatma, and Tvam is Visheshanam. Now, what does it do as Visheshanam, the Paramatma? It negates the Paramatma Bheda from Paramatma Bheda is the difference that caused by that Paramatma, Tat Padam, Tat Paramatma. That differences is removed from the Jivatma. So Paramatma as Visheshanam dismisses the differences caused due to Paramatma Veda, the Paramatma Veda from Jivatma. Now, same, Tvam Tatasi, suppose. Here, Tati is the Visheshya and Tvam is Visheshana. Paramatma is the Visheshanam, Jivatma is the Visheshanam. Paramatma is Jivatma when we say Paramatma is Vishesham, Jivatma is Visheshanam. So Tvam Jivatma is Visheshanam and Tat Paramatma is Vishesham. Here what does it do? Tvam Jivatma is Visheshanam negates the difference caused due to Jivatma from Paramatma. It dismisses. So Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakam. Therefore, this is negation of the mutual differences. That is what the author said here in this Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakam. You can see here th-shabda tatkala vishishta devadattasya ayam shabdartha th-etat vishishta devadasya cha Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakataya. Because the words are in opposition, therefore Visheshna Vishesha Bhavaha and Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakataya, because of the dismissal of the differences. That is Visheshna Vishesha Bhavaha. This is Visheshna Vishesha Bhavaha, qualified relationship. Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakataya. So therefore both Tat and Tvam. Tat is Paroksha, Tvam is Aparoksha. Tat Ishvara is Tvam. Tat is Ishvara, Paramatma is limitless. And Tvam Jivatma, it is limited. When it is equated, Jivatma cannot be same. That is why Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakatam, negating the differences caused. Therefore, Ishvara is not remote. The remoteness of Ishvara is dismissed. And the limitations of Jiva are also dismissed. Jiva is not remote, it is Aparoksha. Ishvara is Paroksha. But when they are in opposition, when the Vishesha Bhavaha, the remoteness of Jiva, the Paramatma is dismissed. And the limitation of Jivatma also dismissed because it is equated to Paramatma. These two words, since these two words qualifying each other, they cannot have differences. That is why Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakam Asti between the two words. If Vyavartakam is there, Anyonya Bheda Vyavartak, if Anyonya Bheda Vyavartaktaya, when there is Veda is there, which is not dismissed, then it cannot be equated. It cannot have the relationship of Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. So the Veda have to be removed. Then only it cannot Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. If Veda is there, then it cannot be in Samanadi. Two different things are talked about. Only when there is relationship between them, and the relationship is Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha is possible only when there is Veda Vyavartakam, negation of differences. Now, in the next Lakshya Lakshana Bhava Sambandha, this we have to see the third type of Sambandha. The third type of Sambandha, by which only we say there is Aikyam between the two. In fact, Tatattvamasi, there it is not, Tati is Visheshanam, or if you say Tvam Tatasi, Tvam is not Visheshanam. There is the dropping of the different, the superficial differences are there. The differences are superficial. Both sides there are 4 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2. Both sides the numerals are different, seemingly different, superficial differences. Jivatma Paramatma have got superficial differences. Upadhis are mithya, they are dropped. And what is there is Chaitanyam. That is equated. That is the equation of Vakya. That sambandha is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Pratyekatmana yoho Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. That is the third type of sambandha. In fact, that is a sambandha is what we take for the analyzing the Mahavakya. We cannot take with Visheshana Vishesha. Why? Because even though the Visheshana Vishesha Bhava Sambandha is possible, that Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha for the, in fact, other views, other Mata, Visishtadvaitin, We take Visheshana Vishesha. Jivatma is Jivatma is a part of Paramatma. Paramatma is Jivatma is an endowed certain guna Vishishta and Paramatma. So therefore, Jivatma is Jivatma Vishishta Chaitanya. Paramatma is Chaitanya. And Jivatma, the status of Jivatma is it's a part of Paramatma. So Paramatma, in the Paramatma body, Jivatma is included. So as like the it is Visheshanam, there is no Aikya. If we take Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, how it is that again there are some technical things are there. We will discuss why we cannot take Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. If we take Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, you will end up in Visishta Dvaita. Therefore, we have to go to the next Sambandha, Lakshya Sambandha. The Visheshana Vishesha Sambandha, if we take what will happen, that Visishta Dvaitam, that we will see in the next class. Today time not there. Lakshya Sambandha, we will discuss. Let us read this one passage. Lakshya Sambandhastu
Lakshya Sambandhastu
Yatha Tatraiva
Yatha Tatraiva
Sashabda Ayam Shabdayoho
स-शब्द अयं शब्दयोः
Tadartayoho Va
तदर्थयोः वा
Viruddha Tatkala Etatkala Visishtatva Parityagena
विरुद्ध तत्काल एतत्काल विशिष्ट
Parityagena
परिस्यागे
Parityagena
परित्यागे
Aviruddha Devadattena Saha
Aviruddha Devadattena Saha
Lakshya Lakshana Bhavaha
लक्ष्य लक्षण भावः
तथा अत्रापि वाक्ये
तथा अत्रापि वाक्ये
तत् त्वं पदयोगो
तत् त्वं पदयोः
तदर्थयोगो वा
तदर्थयोः वा
विरुद्ध परोक्षत्व अपरोक्षत्वादि विशिष्टत्व परित्यागेन
विरुद्ध
परोक्षत्व
परोक्षत्व
अपरोक्षत्व आदि
परोक्षत्वादि
विशिष्टत्व
विशिष्टत्व परित्यागेन
अविरुद्ध चैतन्येन सह लक्ष्य लक्षण भावः
अविरुद्ध चैतन्येन सह लक्ष्य लक्षण भावः
You understand Drishtanta, the writing the same way Dashtanta also. Sashabda Ayam Shabda Yogo. Tadartha Yogo, Padartha Yogo. What is denoted by Sashabda and Ayam Shabda? Tayoga, Padartha Yoga. Viruddha Tatkala Etatkala Vishishta Parityagena. Giving up the differences, opposite difference. The differences, Viruddha, contrary ideas. So Devadatta alone remains, Aviruddha Devadatta. Similarly, in the Dashtanta also. So the Sambandha is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. This is that Devadatta. Soyam Devadatta. So this and that, they are different meanings. Now by negating the differences caused due to time. Tatkala, Etatkala. So Saha referring to Tatkala Devadatta, I am referring to Etatkala Devadatta. That is Padartha. Sa Shabdaha Padam. I am Shabdaha Padam. Sa Shabdaha referring to that Devadatta Padartha. I am Shabdaha referring to this Devadatta Padartha. So Padartha Yoga. Devadatta Yoga, the two Devadattas. That Devadatta and this Devadatta. That Devadatta is Tatkala Vishishta Devadatta. This Devadatta is Tatkala Vishishta Devadatta. They are different, Viruddha, contrary things. Vishishtatta, the Devadatta who is qualified by the time, because associated with the time, that time and this time, past and present. The parityagena, giving up the differences caused due to the time, past and present. So aviruddhena, aviruddha devadatta, which is not contrary, which is common. That alone is obtained. Similarly, in the Drishtanta also, tat tvam asi, tat referring to, tat tvam padam, tattam padayoho, padartayoho, tat referring to that parokshatva, chaitanyam, tvam referring to aparoksha. So paroksha, aparoksha, that is one difference. Limited, unlimited, second difference. So that visishtatva parityagena, giving up the differences caused due to remoteness, parokshatva, aparokshatva, immediacy. So what is obtained is that which is not contrary, that which is aviruddha, common, that is chaitanyam. That aviruddha chaitanyam is alone is obtained. This is lakshya lakshana sambandha. In the Drishtanta, Devadatta is an entity. Devadatta is a person. So that Devadatta, therefore thatness is superimposed on that Devadatta. That Devadatta, whom I saw 20 years before, the thatness, that Devadatta. And this Devadatta is thisness. So this Devadatta. As thatness is superimposed upon that, the Devadatta, Devadatta is a pinda, is an entity. So thatness is superimposed on Devadatta. So by thisness is superimposed on Devadatta. Devadatta being what it is. It is my superimposition. I superimpose thatness on that Devadatta, thisness on this Devadatta. So therefore, seeming differences are that and this Devadatta. Superimposition done by me. Now I have to desuperimpose. When you desuperimpose, what is obtained is only this Devadatta, this entity alone. Adhyaropa apavada. The apparently different Devadattas. The different Devadatta because of my superimposition, that Devadatta and this Devadatta. Therefore, there is difference. And superimposition is apparent. It's done because there is apparent differences between the Devadatta. It's not same person. So therefore, giving up these two contradictory the ideas. So what is obtained is this Devadatta alone, which is common to both that and this. This is common to both. Both. That is, both is what referred to by tatkala tat vishishta Devadatta, etatkala etat vishishta Devadatta. So therefore, the Devadatta is what? It's a lakshya. And lakshana is the saha ayam. So Devadatta is what is lakshya, that is what is lakshya, it is implied. And the lakshanas are saha ayam. So the two persons who appears to be different, seemingly different. Two persons who appears to be different. And that person, to the seemingly different persons are referred to by the word, the lakshana saha and ayam. And the common thing between them is the Devadatta, it's a lakshya. So the person Devadatta is lakshya and the saha and ayam are lakshana. Therefore, the two persons who are identified differently, they are lakshana. Identified differently by the words saha and ayam, because I use saha, that and this, thatness and thisness. So therefore, seemingly there are two persons, they are lakshana. Are they real? They resolve into the lakshya, which is Devadatta, the common person between the two. The common person between the two seemingly different person is what is this, what is Devadatta, who is not qualified by that or this, is a lakshya. Therefore, lakshya, lakshana bhavaha, sambandha, it is there between the words in the sentence. Extending the same to tattvamasi, tvam, and tat referred to Ishvara, tvam referring to Jiva. They are contradictory, like the two seemingly different Devadattas. Similar here also, they are contradictory. Tat, remote. Tvam, it is aparokshatva. then what happens? The seemingly differences are the seeming differences to two things there which are identified differently. There is Lakshana. One is Ishvara, Tat, referred to by the word Tat. Other one is Jiva, referred to by the Tvam. Now, giving up the contradiction, because of Adhyaropa, it is seemingly different. Now, Apavada, giving up the contradiction, Tat referring to reduces to Chaitanyam, Tvam also reduces to Chaitanyam. Therefore, it is the Lakshya, the common thing between the two seemingly different things is this Chaitanyam Lakshya. That cannot be negated, Lakshya. So, therefore, Lakshya, Lakshana, Sambandha asti. Tatu Tvamasi, Aham Brahmasmi. Even the word Purnamadaha, Purnamidam, if you take, so all these, Mahavakya. Purnamadaha, Purnamidam, Adaha. Aso, Amu, Ami, that Ada Shabda. Apam Sakalingi, it is Adaha. Purnam Adaha, Purnam Idam. That is Purnam, this is Purnam. Then what is that? That which is remote. Tat, Adaha. Idam Purnam. Idam, which is right in front, it is evident in front of us, it is Aparukshatva. They are equated. So two totally different, seemingly different entities referred to by Adaha and Idam, they resolve into that one, that is the Lakshya, that is Atma. So thatness is superimposed on one Purnam, and thisness is superimposed on the other Purnam. And finally, the thatness and thisness, which is superimposed, when you do this superimposition, when you understand what it is, that the two contrary things resolve into the same Purnam, Lakshya. Therefore, Purnamadaha Purnamidam, Lakshya Lakshana Sambandhaha. Soyam Devadatta, Ita Soyam Devadatta iti Drishtante, Tadvata Dashtante api, Tatu Tvamasi, Lakshya Lakshana Sambandhaha. Padartayoho Samanadikaranyam. Padartayoho, dropping the differences, that is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandhaha. That is what the author says. Stop here. We'll discuss further in next class. All these are little difficult technical things we need to understand. Om Purnavadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी. धन्यवाद शरण जी. Sharan ji, happy birthday to you. Many happy returns.
Oh, thank you.
Today? Yeah.
No, 20th April.
Oh,
Very
okay.
good.
I'm sorry. I thought it's. Oh, okay.
Anyway,
Okay.
star birthday on 5th May. So I'll
May,
be going to
oh.
Swami Malai. Yeah.
Okay. எனக்கு தெரியும் இந்த டைம்ல தான் எப்போதும் வரும், but I